Let's talk about the best flip this week in Elite Bridge. Members were alerted of these Stage Haze grade schools sitting on a boutique site. These shoes were sitting at retail and bulk was available, meaning you could cop as many pairs as you wanted as this member did. If you sold 10 pairs of these on GOAT, you'd make over $400 in profit.
Keep in mind that this shoe was out of stock everywhere, and this member was able to cop without a bot, without luck, and in bulk.
Each day we send 50 plus shoes directly to your phone so you start hitting success. If you want to see results like this, then stay tuned for a restock very soon.